So I knew district nursing is where I want to be. It's where I had the most fun when I was a student, and I feel like it's where you've got the most variety of things to actually do and accomplish. I wish I'd have done this a long time ago, actually.
So I started off doing a degree in public services because I wanted to join the RAF, but I couldn't because of my medical, so I ended up in hospital. I worked there for 4 years, and then this job came up in the district nurses, and I remember my manager saying, you'll either love district or you hate it. There's always a job here, and then 4 years later I'm still here. So, and I loved being a band 3 previously, like I just can't imagine myself being anywhere but apart from district. And then I did my level 4 degree and I passed that. And then I ended up with a job as a band 4 assistant practitioner, which, yeah, so...
Happy days.
Happy days.
So I did a history degree to start off with. Come to school, not really sure what I wanted to do, but I loved history, so I thought we'd go with that. I'd done a lot of St John's before, so I always knew I wanted to do something medical, but wasn't quite sure. So I got my history degree, then went straight in to do my nursing degree in Swansea. Thankfully I had a lot of community placements, so that I knew, like you, straight away the community was for me. And then last year I was lucky enough to be offered the chance to do my DN SBQ, so I'm going into my 2nd year now of that in university, which is, I'm really enjoying it. And yeah, I feel very supported in the team we're in, to be that I can practice and learn and share new ideas with you guys and everybody. So
and learning new things and skills which I never thought I could do, because I remember my maths teacher saying to my mum, you'll never pass it, and like, you know, all the maths that we have to do here, and like going through the level 4 degree and stuff like that. But then equally I wouldn't be able to do it without all you, because we've never been in a team that we're just friends, and it doesn't feel like we're coming to work all the time.
Here, I've never felt so supported and welcomed, and it's just so lovely that we can come back, you know, we've been out all morning doing our thing, we come back, have the handover, and then the support is like instantly accessible. I think that makes like a massive difference. It's why I'm so happy here.
I think our leadership has a massive bearing on the overall happiness of our team.
Yeah, definitely.
And we are very blessed.
We're very lucky.
Yeah.
We are very lucky here.
Yeah.
With all the support that we've got, like going from a band 3 to a band 4 is massive. And I just feel like everyone's just been so supportive to me for it, because it's such a big change.
And the opportunities, I feel like it's almost like they're endless, because like you're doing a DNSPQ, you just, you know, you're on your band 4 with view to maybe
go to my band 5, you never know
if you want to. And yeah, I've been here a year and 3 months now, and I just feel like it was the missing piece. It was the bit of nursing that I wanted the most, and I've succeeded in getting it, and I just feel like I'm learning something new every day, and it's just going to go from strength to strength for me personally, and I don't think I could be any luckier with the team that I've got either.